One quick note to all of you out there that are watching the video today. If you're new, I'd like to welcome you to our channel, by the way. Also like to make sure that I mention that if you do subscribe to the channel, make sure you tap notifications, make sure your account's not private. Otherwise, you won't be notified when we do the notifications or we add new videos, and you might be the winner and not even be aware of it. If you liked our video today and you like our channel, feel free to subscribe to the channel. Tap notifications, give us the thumbs up, like. YouTube loves it when you get thumbs up, likes, and comments. So as the months go on for November and December, we're going to require, in order to be entered into the drawing, that you add a comment, and then we're going to do a drawing based on the comments that are submitted after I post the video for the drawing. So anyway, hope you're having a good day. Hope it's sunny in your neck of the woods like it is here in California today. Well, now for the moment that everybody's been waiting for the whole month of September anyway. The winners this month, again, just a reminder, nice, backwards, of the moisture meter. It has a little probe here, and you put it down in the ground, and it tells you how wet or dry everything is. Also helps you find missing drippers. We've got two women winners this month, Joni Kubius and Tania Granados. Feel free to email me at h2oirrigationrepair@gmail.com, and we'll go ahead and need your address, and we'll get these shipped out to you right away. So Tania Granados and Joni Kubius are our two winners of the moisture meter giveaway for the month of September. So stick around, tell all your family and friends about our channel, get them to subscribe to increase your odds on winning. And stick around also for some new content that we're going to be adding here pretty quick. And at the end of the year, we're going to have one ginormous giveaway to everyone that's been watching the channel. And we're going to base that on whoever's leaving comments and thumbs up likes.